Question 1. The word computer stands for A. Commonly oriented machines used in technical and educational research. B. Commonly operated machines used in technical and educational research. C. Commonly occupied machines used in technical and educational research. D. Commonly operated machines used in technical and environmental research. Correct answer is B. Commonly operated machines used in technical and educational research. Question 2. Who is known as the father of modern computer? A. Charles Babbage. B. Alan Turing. C. Blaise Pascal. D. Seymour R. Cray. Correct answer is B. Alan Turing. Question 3. Analytical engine, the first fully automatic calculating machine, was developed by A. Charles Babbage. B. Blaise Pascal. C. Leibniz. D. John von Neumann. Correct answer is A. Charles Babbage. Question 4. Which was the first mechanical calculating device? A. UNIVAC. B. Abacus. C. PASCALINE. D. Leibniz calculator. Correct answer is B. Abacus. Question 5. Pascaline is A. Abacus. B. Adding machine. C. Difference machine. D. Multiplication machine. Correct answer is B. Adding machine. Question 6. The first electromechanical machine, tabulating machine, was invented by A. John Napier. B. Pascal. C. Howard Aiken. D. Hermann Hollerith. Correct answer is D. Hermann Hollerith. Question 7. Who designed the first electronic computer ENIVAC? A. Von Neumann. B. Joseph M. Jacquard and John W. Mauchly. C. Prosper Eckert and John W. Mauchly. D. None of these. Correct answer is C. Prosper Eckert and John W. Mauchly. Question 8. Which of the following was the first general-purpose electronic computer? A. ADVAC. B. ADSAC. C. UNIVAC. D. EDVAC. Correct answer is C. UNIVAC. Question 9. Computer developed before the first generation computer was A. Mechanical. B. Electromechanical. C. Electrical. D. Electronics. Correct answer is B. Electromechanical. Question 10. Who among the following is known as the father of supercomputer? A. Charles Babbage. B. Alan Turing. C. Blaise Pascal. D. Seymour R. Cray. Correct answer is D. Seymour R. Cray. Question 11. Which language was used by computers during the first generation? A. Machine language. B. Assembly language. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. Correct answer is A. Machine language. Question 12. During the second generation, the size of computers was decreased by replacing vacuum tubes with A. ICs. B. Semiconductors. C. Transistors. D. Microprocessor. Correct answer is C. Transistors. Question 13. Integrated chips, IC, were started to be used from which generation of computers? A. First generation. B. Second generation. C. Third generation. D. Fourth generation. Correct answer is C. Third generation. Question 14. IC chips used in computers are made with A. Gold. B. Silicon. C. Copper. D. Silver. Correct answer is B. Silicon. Question 15. Which language was used by the second generation of computers? A. Assembly language. B. Machine language. C. Low-level language. D. High-level language. Correct answer is A. Assembly language. Question 16. The fourth generation computers were based on the invention of A. Microprocessor. B. Artificial intelligence. C. Semiconductors. D. Microprocessor and AI. Correct answer is A. Microprocessor. Question 17. Fifth generation computers are based on the technique of A. Microprocessor. B. Artificial intelligence. C. LSI. D. VLSI. Correct answer is B. Artificial intelligence. Question 18. Which of the following developed an integrated circuit or chip, IC? A. Robert Nayak. B. C. Babbage. C. J. S. Kilby. D. C. V. Raman. Correct answer is C. J. S. Kilby. Question 19. The first computer which provides storage is A. EDSAC. B. EDBAC. C. Mark 1. D. ACE. Correct answer is A. EDSAC. Question 20. Which of the following was the first computer developed by India? A. IBM 370. B. Param. C. Siddhartha. D. Cray-1. Correct answer is C. Siddhartha. Question 21. The first supercomputer developed in India is A. Param. B. Aryabhat. C. Buddha. D. Shiva. Correct answer is A. Param. Question 22. Who designed the basic architecture of computer? A. C. Babbage. B. B. Pascal. C. Jordan Mann. D. John von Neumann. Correct answer is D. John von Neumann. Question 23. A hybrid computer is one having combined properties of A. Super and microcomputers. B. Mini and microcomputers. C. Analog and digital computers. D. Super and mini computers. Correct answer is C. Analog and digital computers. Question 24. Which of the following computer is used in hospitals like ECG and dialysis? A. Analog. B. Digital. C. Hybrid. D. Microcomputer. Correct answer is C. Hybrid. Question 25. Which type of computer is used in a digital watch? A. Mainframe. B. Embedded computer. C. Mini computer. D. Microcomputer. Correct answer is B. Embedded computer. Question 26. In which generation of computers, operating system was developed? A. First. B. Second. C. Third. D. Fourth. Correct answer is C. Third. Question 27. Which of the following is used as a storage device during first generation computers? A. Magnetic drum. B. Hard disk. C. Floppy. D. Both A and C. Correct answer is A. Magnetic drum. Question 28. Which of the following computers uses the 8-bit code called EBCDIC? A. Microcomputer. B. Mini computer. C. Supercomputer. D. Mainframe computer. Correct answer is D. Mainframe computer. Question 29. Computers use which number system to store data and perform calculations? A. Octal. B. Decimal. C. Binary. D. Hexadecimal. Correct answer is C. Binary. Question 30. First computer of India. A. Param. B. Siddhartha. C. IBM 370. D. Cray-1. Correct answer is B. Siddhartha. Question 31. The main purpose of time-sharing technique used in computer is to make the best use of the A. CPU. B. Peripheral. C. Secondary storage. D. Floppy disks. Correct answer is A. CPU. Question 32. Which of the following is the smallest and fastest computer imitating brain working? A. Supercomputer. B. Quantum computer. C. Param 10,000. D. IBM chips. Correct answer is B. Quantum computer. Question 33. Calculator works on which types of computer work method? A. Hybrid computer. B. Analog computer. C. Digital computer. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Digital computer. Question 34. A computer executes programs in the sequence of A. Execute, fetch, decode. B. Store, fetch, execute. C. Fetch, decode, execute. D. Decode, fetch, execute. Correct answer is C. Fetch, decode, execute. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video then please do subscribe, like and comment.